This week, Shauna asks, I know SPF is crucial, but there are so many kinds. What should I be looking for? Shauna, I suggest looking for something that's more of a clinical level SPF. SPF stands for sun protection factor. Remember that that's only going to protect you from the burning rays, the UVB rays. So it's also important that you read the fine print and look for something that has UVA protection, which is going to give you extra protection from the aging rays, which can also contribute to various types of skin cancer. Try to find a broad spectrum sunblock that contains something like zinc oxide. They make ones now that are micronized and sometimes even tinted, so you won't have that old-fashioned white pasty look on your skin.